Hi guys! Welcome again to Tammy's Kitchen for another Cucina serie. And for today's episode, I want to share with you this dish that I made. This is called shrimp with salted egg or prawns with salted egg. This is very easy to make. Ang main ingredients ng dish na to are prawns and salted eggs. And hopefully, the other condiments that you will be needing can be found in your pantry or in your fridge. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking! Let's start. So for ingredients, we will be needing the prawns. This is approximately about 2 pounds of prawns or shrimp. And then, for the prawns pa lang, ginawa ko doon sa gagamitin natin sa recipe nito is tinalupan ko na yung prawns and tinanggal ko yung head. So yung shrimp head, I'm gonna be saving it. I'll put it in the freezer, save it for the next recipe that I'm gonna be making. Chop for salted egg. You can use salted egg, duck salted egg, or chicken salted egg. This one that I'm gonna be using is a chicken salted egg. 5 cloves of minced garlic. 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of Xiao Xing wine. Chili flakes is an optional. We also have white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. So let's start. What we're going to do is to season our shrimp. We will be needing 1 tablespoon of this Xiao Xing wine. Uhos lang natin dito. 1 teaspoon ng onion powder, 1 teaspoon ng garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon ng black pepper. Chili flakes is optional, so if you want it spicy, do so. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon. So 1 egg yolk. Then mix lang natin ulit. Now we are going to lightly fry this. Ipa-fry natin to sa mantika. Right, so we are going to start frying our, and here is the cornstarch that we're gonna be needing. Lightly covered natin siya sa cornstarch. And then, let's start frying. Mga 3 minutes lang ang fry natin sa ipon. After frying our shrimp, lagay tayo ng new pan and then 3 tablespoons of butter. And then let's add some garlic. So melt lang natin yung butter natin. So pagka naamoy yun na yung aroma ng bawang, ilalagay natin yung ating chopped salted egg. Most recipes ask for only egg yolk ng salted egg, but dahil I don't want to waste the egg whites, so isasama na rin natin siya dito. Right? Yan, lagay na natin. And then, mix natin. Lutuin natin ang ating salted egg sa ating garlic butter. Durog-durugin natin. Pero kung gusto niyo naman din yung mayroon din pang kayong nakakagat na na salted egg, okay din yun. Mga 1/3 ng thick cream. Siya natin gagamitin dito. If you don't have the thick cream, you can also use regular milk. Okay? So, let's put our thick cream here. And mix natin sa salted egg. Pwede rin nyo i-blender yung salted egg para mas creamy yung ating dish. Then, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng seasoning. So, let's put a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and then just keep mixing it, stirring it. For those who are lactose intolerant, you can substitute the cream. The store is selling the lactose-free milk and cream. You can use those. Lumalapot na yung ating mixture. At this point, we can add in our fried shrimp. Okay. So, ito na. Luto na to. We'll turn off the heat. Or turn off the fire. And then, set na natin sa serving plate. Hi guys, this is the final product of our dish, shrimp with salted egg. We'll just put little garnish on top, the green onion, and this is ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoy this dish. Thank you for watching. Bye!